Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share week 27 for Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. And today I am sharing a large index card, and I believe this is a 4x6. I never know. Yeah, it's a 4x6 index card, and like always, I am doing a vintage. Okay, so a lot of things on here. I have pulled out my scraps for the background. I kind of used a black and white and gray background. Just took, scraps from my my little bag of scraps. I have like two big bags of scraps that I'm trying to dwindle down. I rounded the edges. I inked it with black soot. And then I added these old Michaels black and white flowers I've had in my stash forever. And just using up what I have. This is a Tim Holtz paper doll. This is a frame from Hobby Lobby in their ephemera packs, one of their ephemera packs. And so I used the black and white flower, a white one, and another black one up here, and it has those pretty pearls in it. And I pop dot the frame up a little bit so it's a little bit dimensional. And then I have this stamped out, and it says, "Love makes the world go round." And then I added a leaf here and a leaf here. It was in my little pack of or container of ephemera, just knickknacks and just a mixture of things. And I had this chipboard arrow, and I just layered it on top of the frame. Yeah, and I really like it. I would love to put this on like a cover of a journal, or even on a card. I could definitely put this on a card, or or just have it in my stash to admire. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Go check out Penny and everybody in the hashtag that's participating in this open collaboration. I want to thank everyone for watching and commenting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.